So today is about day 22 of walking 20,000 steps a day every day for a month, eating a high carb, high fruit vegan diet. The past month plus, I've been eating a diet consisting of basically fruits and vegetables, some sweet potatoes, the mucusless diet by Arnold Ehret. And right now I'm doing today's my 6th day raw, eating as well high fruit, lots of vegetables. Yesterday I had a sushi wrap. It was so freaking good. It was so freaking good. And I'd like to just talk in this video about my experiences walking, eating in different plant-based ways, all vegan, of course, 100%. It's for the animals. And just my experiences. The first, I've done this walking challenge eating a starch-based diet, lots of oatmeal, rice and veggies, beans and lentils and spaghetti and all that, 3 meals a day. And that was good. And then whenever I switched to raw till 4, I just felt it in my legs. It was a lot better. I felt like my endurance was good. I felt like my recovery was a lot better. And now doing mucusless, in terms of just eating fruits and vegetables, if you don't understand what that is, and now doing raw food. The raw food days, my legs just feel fresh. They feel fresher. They feel just crisper. It's almost like I've done a bit of yoga or something like that. But I haven't done any yoga. Well, not today, but I do yoga weekly. But it feels like I've done yoga. And the more I eat raw foods, just the more nimble my limbs feel, the more enjoyment I get from walking. And this is one of the reasons I recommend, if you're doing a walking challenge like this, that you include yoga. And I don't recommend walking this much or having a lifestyle where you're like the Okinawans or the Amish walking in a community with people, if you're not going to do things like yoga or stretching weekly. It doesn't have to be every day, but ideally every day, but weekly at least. You want to be stretching. You want to be improving your flexibility. You will enjoy the experience of walking and being out in nature a lot more. So that's my experience overall. The more high fruits and vegetables I eat, the better I feel. And the more energy I have, the more stamina I have. And let me know if anyone has noticed this, maybe switching from a starch-based diet to raw to 4, or switching from raw to 4 to raw food or mucusless. Let me know. But this walking challenge is a really great way to see nature, see your city, be a tourist in your own city. And I actually got a question someone asked that I'm going to address right now. They asked, do I normally walk the same route whenever I do my steps? And the answer is, it depends. Sometimes if I want to have a set amount of miles done, I will walk a certain route that I know can get me that. So if I wanted to do 10 miles, I know exactly where to walk to, 5 miles one way, 5 miles back. I know I'm 100% going to get 10 miles, So I've got routes like that. But there's times, the sun is coming out. That's what you want. There's times whenever I want to ponder, I want to think things over, I want to mull over thoughts and ideas, And that is when I really like certain repetitive routes, so I don't have to think too much, and I can maybe like walk around in a park or something like that. So if I'm getting bored, I change it up as well. I change up what I'm listening to. Right now I'm listening to a bunch of TED Talks on being a polymath. And if you don't know what a polymath is, it's someone who has mastered multiple skills, like the Da Vinci's and the Franklins and whatnot. And just making it interesting for yourself. So if you're getting bored of the walking, I highly recommend you change it up. Change up what you're listening to, change up the route, maybe bring a friend, maybe swap some walking times with some dancing times. This would be fun. Maybe listen to more music, maybe make music as you walk. I don't know, bring an instrument. I've done that. I brought a ukulele out with me while I walk. So many ways to keep things interesting. But yeah, I'm just gonna end on this note. Get out there, move your body, eat high carb, lots of fruit, lots of vegetables, move daily, stretch daily, stay hydrated, have fun, keep it vegan, peace, love, veganism, like and subscribe. How long have you consecutively walked a set amount of steps, say 10,000, 20,000? Peace.